In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export tax reports from Freshbooks. Navigating Freshbooks might seem daunting at times, especially when you need to handle something as crucial as tax reports. But don't worry, we'll break it down together, and you'll be exporting reports like a pro in no time. To start off, you'll want to focus your attention on the left-hand menu of your Freshbooks dashboard. Here, you'll find a series of tabs that lead you to various parts of your accounting operations. Look for the tab labeled Reports and give it a click. This section is your go-to hub for all things related to reporting within Freshbooks. Once you're in the Reports section, the next step is selecting the tax report that best fits your needs. Depending on what you're looking for, there are a few different types of reports you might consider. If you're uncertain, the Invoice Details report is a great all-around choice that provides comprehensive insights. However, there are other reports available like the Sales Tax Summary or the VAT Return Report, which might be more suited if you're dealing with sales or value-added taxes. Carefully assess what your current requirement is and make your selection accordingly. After choosing the type of report, it's crucial to set the correct date range. You'll find filters on the report page that allow you to specify the time period you wish to review. This step is vital for ensuring the accuracy of your reports, particularly if you're preparing them for tax purposes. Double-check to make sure the dates align with the fiscal period you need. It's all about precision here, so take your time to get it right before moving on. Now, once you have your report clearly on the screen, head over to the top right corner. You should see a button labeled More Actions. A click of this button will reveal a drop-down menu that offers various options. From this menu, you're looking for an option that says Export for Excel. Selecting this will kickstart the download process. Your report will download as a CSV file or a comma-separated values file. This format is incredibly versatile and can be opened with several types of spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or Apple Numbers. The beauty of a CSV file is that it's not restricted to one type of software, giving you flexibility in how you handle and review your exported data. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently export your tax reports from Freshbooks. Just remember to select the right report and set your date range accurately, and you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.